Beth, Naturalist with the Johnny Appleseed Park District. Thanks for joining me. You know, it is so much fun to watch butterflies in your garden or your yard. There are so many different kinds that you can get to know. In fact, in Allen County here, we have volunteers that monitor the butterflies, and over the years we have found around 35 different species of butterflies just right here in Allen County. For those of you that purchased a camp kit last week, we have a few available still this week if you need them. But anyways, we put in there a brochure that we created here at the Park District, The Butterflies of Allen County. And there are a few of the different types that you can find in your garden, in your yard. So, a wonderful resource if you're interested in learning more about butterflies. You can do certain things to attract butterflies to your yard. And the most important thing to do is to plant native flowers that produce the nectar that the butterflies need in order to survive. For those of you that got the camp kits, we also included some seeds for dense blazing star. There's a little piece of paper in your camp kit that gives you information about the flower. It is native to our area, so it's the perfect flower to plant in your yard, and that will attract butterflies. The best time to plant the seeds is in the fall. It is pretty hot out right now. If you can hold off and plant them during the fall, you'll have a better chance that they will germinate next spring. One other way that you can attract butterflies to your garden is by putting out a very simple butterfly feeder. And to make that, the first thing you'll need to do is create a sugar solution, which represents the nectar that's found inside the flowers. It's easy to make. Put a cup of water in a pot on your stove, add in about a quarter cup of sugar, boil it to dissolve all of the sugar. Make sure the syrup is cooled down before you actually use it. Cool it down, and then you can make butterfly feeders. And to do that, you just need a sponge. I actually cut mine in half. It can be little pieces, it can be big, whatever. Two ways I'm going to show you how you can do it. The first way is to use a container. This is a pie plate. You can use an old dinner plate. You can use just a little plastic container or even the lid. Just something that you can actually put the pieces of sponge into. You're going to actually wet this down with the sugar solution. Let it absorb all of the sugar water, and then just set this out in your garden. And hopefully you'll attract some butterflies. They're going to use that long, crazy long tongue like a straw, a proboscis, to slurp up the nectar or the sugar solution that you offer them. Another thing that you can do is actually use just a piece of sponge, put a little hole in it, and tie some twine or string on it. Dip it into your sugar solution to let it absorb the solution. Wring it out a little so it's not so drippy, and then hang it up in a tree. You can have all kinds of them all over your trees like ornaments. How cool would that be? So, a couple different ways. It's very simple, do-it-yourself butterfly feeders. I hope that you get a chance to try these out so that you can enjoy seeing all kinds of different butterflies in your backyard. Thanks so much. See you soon. Bye.